Hello, it's Dr. Rogini. So today what I want to talk about is psychology of motherhood. And this is the topic I'll be covering today at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then tomorrow we're also going to continue with this workshop. We already had one on Monday. So if you missed this workshop, you can still purchase this workshop and watch the replay. So psychology of motherhood. So this topic came through me a while back, and I was like, you know what, I got to cover this. A lot of mothers out there, even dads, because you might want to know how a mother processes stuff, what she goes through, so you can be there for each other. And some men might purchase this course just so they can improve their communication as a father. Also, you might also want to purchase this course because you can understand and hear from the perspective of a female. So as a mother, we are naturally trained to worry about our children. We always want to make sure our children are safe. We always want to make sure that we create the best environment for them so they can become that version, the highest version of themselves. But the key here is, when our mind is always in that worrying state or anxiety state or panic state, it actually does not serve your children. It does not serve you or your children. It starts with you first. So what I want to share here, first of all, before I share here, when I say this stuff, please do not criticize yourself. Please do not criticize any other mothers who are in this dilemma. This is for you. If you go and criticize them, you're actually changing your energy as well. So you cannot criticize them. So you have to take this for you right now and listen to this. So when you're in a certain state of worrying, or you're always scared of the negative outcome, or you're afraid what others will think about, and usually this is more at a subtle level, at the subconscious level, you might not even be aware that you're doing this. So the minute you are aware that you're doing this, you have to shift your perception of how you want to see the future of your children. You have to shift your perception of how you want yourself feel about your children. There's a lot of layers in there that will be unlocked in this Motherhood Portal workshop. So I just gave you a little bit of a brief awareness that worrying, anxiety, and panic does not serve you. It does not serve your children. It does not serve your home environment. So what happens is, when you're in that state, you actually sending a certain frequency in your environment, and it creates this chaotic energy. Even science is working on that, but the thing is that we all want evidence. We want to see visually. But imagine that invisible energy that you're projecting out in your environment. You cannot see it. But if I had this best equipment and brought that in your environment, it can literally beep beep and say, hey, your environment is chaotic. Let's rearrange this energy and let's make it better, so you're emitting a healthier frequency in your environment. So if you're not aware of this, what happens is you're constantly looking like, why is it not working out? Why things are not going the right way? Why things are always breaking down? Why things are not flowing the way you want it to flow? It's because the way you're seeing your environment, the way you're projecting your energy into your environment. And you know exactly when I'm talking about what I'm talking about here, you know exactly, and you can feel it. But it takes a certain level of mindset. It takes a certain level of training, consistent training, to take yourself out of this mindset and start thinking differently, start seeing your world differently, and literally adding new levels of lenses and remove those old lenses. Okay? And you have the strength and power to change your environment. It's up to you as a mother or father if you want to shift your environment. But please, fathers, if you guys received this video, this is not to correct your wife. This is not correct anybody around you, but this is for you to understand and shift you, because you can do the same thing. I called it the motherhood portal because the mothering energy, so as a mother, even fathers have the masculine and feminine energy as well. So some fathers are the mothering role and the father role. So this is going to help you as well. I actually wanted to share something, but you know what? I think I'm going to share that in the motherhood portal. So I can't wait to see you. You can still purchase this workshop. It's only 111 USD. But think about the results you get out of this. Think about the shifts you get out of this. Think about the changes you get out of this. And you will see it right away. The minute you apply this wisdom, you will see the results right away. And this wisdom that you receive, it's not about information. It's about awareness. That's the key. When you have awareness. So what happens is when you're in my workshop, you will hear yourself and you will know who you are, and you become in your own authority, and you will become powerful in your own way without putting all that noise in your head and trying to fix something. You don't need to fix anything. It's all inside of you. All you need to do is awaken that part inside of you. So I can't wait to see you. So we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.